1. Fill a spray bottle with lukewarm water. Make sure the spray bottle is clean and free of leftover chemicals from previous uses. Fill it up with only lukewarm water. If you don't have a spray bottle around, you can pour small amounts of water onto your jeans as you work on stretching them out. 2. Lay the jeans out on the floor. Make sure the jeans are completely flat on the floor. Smooth the fabric out with your hands. Separate the legs of the jeans so you can easily work on one section at a time. 3. Pull on the jeans as you spray them. Spray the water on every part that needs to be stretched out. Once it is fairly damp, use your hands to pull and stretch that portion of the jeans. Repeat this until you have stretched out every part of the jeans that need to be stretched out. 4. Let the jeans air dry. You can leave the jeans laying out flat if you don't want to move them. Or, you can hang them up to dry. Try on your jeans once they have dried to make sure they have been stretched out enough. If not, repeat the process or try another method.